Hi.
There we go.
Oh boy, I better run.
I got a box. And it says MX5 on it. Hi.
There's like a light right above you. You should go that way or some other direction. Or I can just stand up.
Hi. I am awkward YouTuber Herschel. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate it a ton. So guys, if you haven't seen by the title of this video already, Miata, Melanie the Miata, is getting coilovers. So, if you guys see the tape that is on the car, on the box, it says, which is upside down to you, but it says max speeding. Don't want to apologize at all right now. I'm on a very low budget. I have 2 blown shocks in the back. I have no idea what the condition of the front really is, but the springs are 30 years old on this car. The 2 blown out shocks, I mean, that's gonna be in itself about $250 to $300. So I decided to make the poor decision, and by poor I mean great decision, of getting some cheap eBay parts. Cheap eBay parts are better than blown shocks, and I've actually seen quite a few reviews on these, and a lot of people are surprised at how well they work for eBay parts.
You gotta stab it.
I don't like stabbing things.
Assume that it is a person.
What?
And act accordingly.
What? What did you say? People are gonna think you're really hostile.
I'm really not.
She's like a lost puppy.
Thanks.
She couldn't hurt a fly.
I really couldn't.
But she's over here last video she was talking about whacking a people stick with my breaker bar. This is one of the rear coilovers. I bought red coilovers. I did it on purpose to match the car. It actually matches pretty decently.
It does, yeah.
I'm a little surprised by that.
I can confirm that as a non-colorblind person.
This is the other rear. This is the first time I'm ever doing coilovers as well. My Focus has stock suspension, which works really well, honestly, for a Focus. I wouldn't see any reason as to why I would put not stock. Oh, there's just a hole right there. As to why I would put non-stock suspension. I don't see any reason as to why not. Why it wouldn't be good enough. This is the other front. I don't know what these are for.
You have no idea.
Neither do I. What makes both of us?
Well, obviously I don't know. I'm not a car person.
First thing we gotta do, we gotta jack the car. Should I teach Ash how to jack the car?
Sure. New things.
Push it forward slightly, the whole thing. Okay, now keep going up. There you go. Now keep lifting. Nope, we're not doing the pinch weld. We're doing the inner bar. Try to go farther up. Try to go that way. Okay. And listen to see if it's gonna start lowering down. Actually, I failed.
Teaching me?
Because we were supposed to take the wheels. We were supposed to break the wheels loose before we took the car off the ground, and.
A wacky stick?
No, it is not a whacking stick, Ashley. What size is this?
Can I borrow it for no specific reason whatsoever?
No. Start taking this off the hood. Man, these are tight, and I don't want to hurt myself. Oh my God! There we go. Yeah, I know. Have you ever done suspension? Next thing we gotta do is we gotta detach the sway bar linkage, which is right here.
I might need 2 hands.
Well, it's spinning now, so just hold it now. Okay, so we're having a lot of issues with the camera right now. I don't know why, but we managed to take that first one off. All right, so I got them both an inch shorter than that one. These are both exactly the same, and like I said, they're both an inch shorter than the stock one. One out, one in, 3 more to go. But now that we got one done, I think we can get the rest, right, Ash? A lot faster.
Yeah.
So everything else should be a lot easier. So what does it want to do? What does it want to do, Ryan?
Well, it don't want to come out of the hole.
It don't want to come out. Ryan showed up. Me and Ashley went at this for like probably 2 hours. The other one came out in like 20 minutes, not even. And then.
She clinched on to the shaft.
Oh my goodness. But yeah, and then Ryan showed up because I was like, I can't get this one out. Like, me and Ash have been going at this for like 2 hours. Ash is gone, by the way. She had to go home. So, thanks, Ash, for helping. But no idea. And you ready to pull this one?
Yeah, whenever you're ready.
That's out, okay? So we got the 2 backs. We got the one front out and in. And we're still struggling to get this old one out in the front. What I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna go get a spring compressor tomorrow and hopefully get that. All right, so I'm gonna say this preemptively, but I thought my mindset would be that I'd be able to do this all with hand tools. And I did 90% of this job with hand tools. Well, like breaker bars, you know, things like that. Not necessarily common house items, but hand tools. That was not done with hand tools. I kind of bought a new toy. It's unplugged right now for safety, but I kind of bought a new toy. All 4 are in. 1, 2, 3, 4. I can already see, without even putting the car on the ground, there's already a lot less wheel gap. So I think I'm definitely gonna have to lower the fronts, like make the spring longer, make the front higher, because that is more or less maxed out on the back. And I want this car to sit flat. I don't want it, you know, leaning forward or anything. Okay, we have a slight problem. Low life. I can't get the jack out. So, I can already tell you this, I have to raise the front up a little bit. All right, moment of truth part 2. I'm honestly more or less worried about the fact that I can't get my jack out from under. Mostly because I don't want to have to use wooden blocks. So. Okay. So, worry number 1, taken care of. So I didn't do much explaining in the beginning. So these coilovers in the front are 7K springs, in the back are 6K springs. They are 24-way adjustable dampening. So I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I'm gonna take it for a test drive, see how it feels, see how, if there's any rubbing or anything. Even though the suspension is really not set up like at all correctly, because I have no idea what the hell I was doing, I can already tell you that these wobbly shocks are better than blown shocks. So the car already feels more solid and planted. I forget that this thing doesn't have any power behind it. I always forget that. But yeah, it just already handles bumps and stuff so much better. And it feels, even though it's super wobbly, it feels way more planted on the ground than the old suspension did. Why do people constantly stop at empty roundabouts? Oh, this is so much more planted, holy crap. I couldn't even take that turn that fast in the Focus. Dang. bucks. These are really damn good. These weren't even 300 bucks. Less than that. It's really wobbly over bumps though. Or not wobbly, it's really bouncy over bumps though. So I'm obviously home. It's a ton of fun, honestly. I learned how to change suspension. I didn't know how to do suspension in a car before. This was 100% of a learning process for me. I had a ton of fun some of the time. Thank you to Ryan and Ashley for helping me out with, you know, doing it all. Thank you to my father as well for helping me out, which I don't think you guys saw my dad at all, but he, when I wasn't recording, you know, just me like pulling a spring out or putting it back in. But guys, if you liked the video, please make sure to like, comment, definitely hit that subscribe button. I'm kind of tired, so I'm sorry that I'm acting this way. Definitely hit that notification bell, and guys, I'll see you in the next video.